Dear viewers, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to integrate GitHub as source code management tool in Jenkins. If you want to automate build and your source code management is GitHub, this tutorial is for you. Build automation means developer committing code to source code management, and Jenkins as a build automation tool pulls the latest code from source code repository, performs build and test. If either build or test fails, it notifies to developer, and if they pass, deploy them. Let's open my locally deployed Jenkins server. 8080 is the URL. Here this is the homepage of my locally deployed Jenkins server. To integrate source code management, we need to create a project. So click new item. From this web page we can see there are multiple ways to create a project. There are freestyle project, pipeline, multi-configuration project, folder, GitHub organization, multi-branch pipeline. Freestyle project, this is the central feature of Jenkins. I am choosing this category. So here GitHub repo integration demo, I name the project. Let's click OK. Click OK. From the project dashboard we can see the number of tabs. They are source code management, build triggers, build environment, build, post build actions. From the source code management tab, we can let Jenkins know the source code repository and credential for the sake of this build. We can see the Git is available as a source code management. At the moment of Jenkins installation, by default plugin for Git has been installed. Plugins are something that will enhance the functionality of Jenkins to meet the requirement of user. The main benefits of using Jenkins is that it has over 1,000 of different plugins. Let's choose Git as a source code management. From this section we can see that we need to provide Jenkins the repository URL and the credential and the name of the branch. Let's open my GitHub account. This is my GitHub profile, and let's click the simple chat. This is my open source project. I built the chat application on top of the .NET Core and Signaler, and backend is SQL Server. For this demonstration, I am planning to use this repository. So here, this is the repository URL. I copy it and paste it here, and here I need to put my GitHub credential. So my GitHub credential is username is ehsan@outlook.com. and the password. If I click add, it will be added, but I have already added this credential, so no need to add again. So from this drop down list I will get all the credentials. So this is my GitHub credential. I am going to choose it. Okay, and if I go back to my repository, if I see the only one branch, the name is the main, the branch name is main, so I need to change the branch name here. So then click save. Now Jenkins has been configured for pulling latest source code from my simple chat GitHub repository. If someone commit to this main branch of this repository, Jenkins will be start pulling latest code. This is the workspace folder. In this folder, Jenkins stores source code for this project. Currently no code available. For the first successful build, Jenkins download the source code into this folder. If you want to navigate the physical location of this folder, you need to know the Jenkins home directory. You will find the home directory from Manage Jenkins. Let's click Manage Jenkins and click Configure System. This is the home directory of my locally deployed Jenkins. Center. Here the workspace folder. Under this folder we see GitHub repo integration, and we find this folder is also empty. Let's back to the dashboard and open my project. This is the build now button. If I click build now button, this will start build manually. Let's click it. So from at the bottom we can see the build has been started and it is progressing. Let's click here. This is the build sections. From the status menu we can see the build status. We can see there is no changes because I started build manually and started by SLLog. Here is the revision and the repository. This is the repository, and if we click changes, we can find the code changes for this build. Currently it has no changes because I started the build manually, and this is the console output. From here we can see the log of the build. Okay, move back my project directory and navigate to the workspace. You can see the Jenkins successfully pulled the source code from the repository. Let's go to the physical location. Okay, the code is available. So now Jenkins has been successfully integrated with GitHub. Thank you.